Hey everybody, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about Asellus aquaticus, commonly known as the aquatic isopod. It is a freshwater crustacean found in various aquatic environments across Europe, North America, and parts of Asia. This species inhabits lakes, ponds, and slow-moving streams, often hiding among decaying leaves and submerged vegetation. The role in the ecosystem is vital, as they help break down organic matter, contributing to the nutrient cycle in freshwater habitats. One interesting fact about the aquatic isopod is its remarkable ability to tolerate low oxygen levels in the water. This adaptation allows it to thrive in environments that may be challenging for many other aquatic organisms, making it a resilient and essential part of the ecosystem. Aquatic isopods has a distinctive flattened body that typically measures about 1 to 2 centimeters in length. Their color ranges from a gray to brown, often appearing mottled, which helps them blend into their surroundings. With their segmented bodies and 7 pairs of legs, these isopods are well adapted for life in freshwater environments, allowing them to scuttle across substrates with ease. In their natural habitat, they prefer areas with plenty of organic debris, such as leaf litter, decaying plant matter, which provide both shelter and food sources. They thrive in a range of water conditions, both for optimum care and captivity, aim to maintain a temperature between 15 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius, or 59 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and a pH level between 6.5 and 8.0. A well-planned aquarium with hiding spots is ideal for replicating their natural environment. Aquatic isopod is a scavenger, primarily feeding on decaying organic matter, algae, and detritus. In captivity, they will benefit from a varied diet that includes blanched vegetables, fish flakes, and specialized shrimp pellets. These isopods are social creatures that thrive in groups, making them interesting to observe as they forage and interact with one another. A minimum tank size of 10 gallons is suitable for keeping aquatic isopods with a sandy or gravel substrate to allow for natural burrowing behavior. They do well with other peaceful tank mates such as shrimp, snails, and small fish. However, avoid larger predatory species that may see them as a food source. Providing plenty of hiding spots such as rocks, driftwood, and aquatic plants will help them feel secure in their environment. Aquatic isopod is often used in aquariums as a natural cleanup crew, helping to maintain a balanced ecosystem by consuming leftover food and organic debris. They are also utilized in aquaponics and freshwater habitats for their role in nutrient cycling. While they are generally safe to keep, be cautious when introducing them to the tank with aggressive fish, as they may become targets. Regular watering changes and maintaining good water quality are crucial for their health. That wraps up our introduction to the aquatic isopod. These fascinating aquatic isopods not only add diversity to your aquarium, but also play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and share your experiences with aquatic isopods in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Happy fish keeping.